back to the channel. Today we are going to see the extraction of cashew nuts from its shell. So without a further ado, let's get started. So this is how the cashew nuts look before the roasting. To do this process, we just need a stove and nothing else. So first you want to take pieces of paper and fire it up. Once the paper starts flaming, toss your cashew nuts in one by one. As you can see, there's a cashew nut on the top which won't get roasted because there won't be flames reachable. So I'm taking a piece of paper, making it in the flame and just putting it up on top so the flames reach the cashew nut and it will get roasted. Sometimes the flames will die down and pop right back up. This happens because a liquid will come out of the cashew nuts and a chemical reaction will form, sometimes changing the color of the flame to a light green. You can see right here the cashew nuts are burning individually, which is a magnificent sight to behold. Once the cashews turn pure black like coal, take them out. This means they are ready to start the next process, which will be taking the cashew nuts out of the shell. The cashew nuts will be hot since we are taking them right out of the stove, so be careful when transferring them into another bowl. You can see that the cashew shells are pure black, which indicates it as a good roast. Now transfer them on a piece of paper and crack them open with a rock. This is the cashew nut that we get out of these shells. Don't they look like the ones that we get exactly at the store? After opening many cashew nuts and touching the black shell, My hands became very rubbish, but don't worry, this will go off eventually. Look carefully and you can see a glare on the shell. This means it has a liquid on it. Don't eat that one. Before you guys go, I'll just tell you, in the next video, I'll be showing my family's cashew nut farm. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but make sure to like and subscribe before you head out.